slimes here. Sorry if the angle is a little off, but I'm going to be showing you how to make a really nice, soft serve kind of slime. And I've been experimenting with a lot of recipes for this, so I've never seen a recipe like this one. But this slime is really good for poking and stretching and all of that stuff. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So the ingredients you're going to need are a bowl, a mixing tool, your activator. It is a half a teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of water, some lotion, some cornstarch. I'm using Argo. Your most important ingredient is glue, a container to hold your slime in once it's finished, and some food coloring.
The food coloring is optional. So the first step is to pour in your glue. I don't use measurements, I just eyeball it, so I'm just going to make a little bit. So I'm just going to pour in about that much, because it will expand once you add all the other ingredients. So I have this little spoon here, and I'm going to be putting in 2 of these little spoons. I'm mixing it up. So once you're not completely mixed in, but the cornstarch is like about to be mixed in, you can take your lotion and put in a few squirts of that. So I'm just gonna. So now that we put in our lotion, I'm gonna mix it up until it looks like a cake batter consistency like this. Now's the time to add in your food coloring. I am using orange because I want to make a peach color. Looks more like orange, so now let's call it orange soft serve instead of peach. So now we're going to add in our activator little by little. I recommend using a squirt bottle for your activator just because you can control how much goes in. So keep adding in your activator until it forms into a slime, and I'll show you the final result. We actually just got a new Instagram, so go check that out. I'll leave the name in the description below, and it is Shop Slime Queens with a Z. So I'll put the name in the description below, so you guys can go check it out. And make sure to follow us. Bye. Okay, so I finished activated, and this is what it looks like. So let me just take it out and show you guys. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just so you guys know, I may not be posting that often because school is starting, but I will try to post as many videos as I can, and we may not be able to do many videos together with this other slime queen, but we will try. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below some new video suggestions. And we'll try to see you in the next video. Bye guys.